claws. The man in your phone no stop text me. If him get a taste, him not let me go. But murder he wrote, murder he wrote, murder he wrote. Mommy, I treat them up.
Welcome to TheDuttyBerryShow's coverage of Reggae Sumfest 2023, brought to you by Grand Palladium Jamaica Resort and Spa. Alright, so Reggae Sumfest 2023, and I'm here with Miss Little Red riding what?
Good.
Okay, Moyann. Talk to me, because last year ago, was it gold?
Yes, it was.
Gold, and this year is...
All red,
yeah, man,
baby.
volcano and all kind of something.
Yeah, fire, all of that.
It's a little bit of little mermaid, little Ariel dropping it too.
You can say that too.
Okay. So you want one of the money in the audience to be part of your world?
I see you. Can't deal with him, you know.
How are you doing?
I'm great, Berry. I'm amazing. I'm lovely. I feel good.
Okay. Why did you have to go on so raunchy and naughty and the people them Sumfest stage like that?
You know I dance all this, right?
Yes.
You have to bring a creativity, right? And you can't do it and boring, right?
Yes, very much so.
That's right there. That is it. You have to go there and creative. And I wanted to do something different. I wanted to bring a little creativity, you know, like excitement. And I did that, and I executed it, and I'm proud of it.
Yeah, man, people, I see the difference and the growth. Like
Thank
from last
you.
year, work up the stage, and you look like you're very comfortable on back.
Make a trip on the yard or bike. Sit down in a song on me and write all night. Fix turn to me, make it clap. Dolly, hey, yeah. If it's tell you, I'm comfortable on other things too.
Oh
Lord,
Lord. Moyann, so talk to me about the projects that you have coming up now, and let me just know like where you plan for like change your music. I was to say, you know, you focus on like, the sexy girl thing, independent girl, and them something there, but you're planning to probably like switch things up soon.
Definitely, I have an EP coming out, and that is like the opposite of everything you ever heard from Moyann. And I feel like I know you're gonna like it. You guys are gonna eat it up. So it's coming out the end of summer. Stay tuned for that.
So you said there's a Moyann outside of the hot girl, like fabulous.
Yes, there is. So it's all on the EP. It's all on the EP.
You know, for Oxford Coconut and them something there.
We can do a little 1 and 2 thing. Remember, say a country, my
Need dumpling and them something, Moyann.
Yeah, we are talking about crazy. What you talking about, Derry?
Rice and peas and them something there.
All of that. We can tie man too, but we're not gonna.
No, for massage man back and them something there, and them come squeeze out the bump them.
No.
Oh, okay. You're not joining the part there.
No.
Okay, so no Moyann. I have to play a little game with me now. I have something called Dirty Challenge Quiz.
Okay.
You ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, I'm gonna make you look on the answer them. Ready? And you have to answer fast because school challenge quiz setting, right?
Oh God.
True or false? Burna Boy bought Jada Kingdom a Birkin.
I don't know.
Name 3 of Bob Marley's children.
Damien, Skip.
Cool. Skip, I don't want picnic.
I don't want picnic.
Come on, drop.
Damien, Ziggy.
One more. Why the people them there so would even help her out?
Kick Marley.
All right. So who was the larger entourage? Idonia or Popcorn?
Ah, Jesus, Berry. I'm not going to know them. Something and Berry.
Name 2 people on the new $1,000 bill. Yeah, man. You know you're not get it. Ooh. Come on, man. Come on, Moyann. Jesus, Pim.
Come down and help me now. Help my teeth now.
No, them wicked, you know. No would even help. How long should it take traveling from Kingston to Ochi?
2 hours?
Half an hour at least. Finish the lyric. I bet me for Binya. I know. Move.
Tima, Anna.
Yeah, we'll give her it.
Kina.
This dancehall diva dated 2 of the dancehall rivals whose name begin with B.
Watch, Berry, I try.
Name begins with B. This dancehall diva. Come on, man. She named 2 dancehall legends whose name begin with B.
With B?
Yes.
B in man and both together?
So who did date?
Angel.
All right.
Jesus
All right.
Christ.
What is the highest ticket price for Chris Brown?
1.5 million.
All right. According to the Raja Wild song, what do bad bitches enjoy? What them love? What the bad bitches them love?
Bleep, rat butt.
All right. So we are going now. So like, share, and subscribe is to YouTube, as Taps and Roses is to
TikTok.
All right. And what is the name of the dancehall artist whose name could be interpreted as Minutes to 5? What the name of the dancehall artist whose name could be interpreted as 10 minutes to 5?
450.
All right, that final question, Maya. Look at the monitor. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Brittany.
All right, that is it, man. We're going to tabulate the scores of now, but that is it, Moyann.
Oh, God, me do bad. I did bad.
Moyann, I forgot to talk about now, because I'm seeing your performance. You brought up Shelly Belly. You brought up Madiva. That's the name. MacGyver.
Yeah.
And two ladies.
And Chin Power.
And two ladies. We can't get them on quick and fast.
Me anywhere, me not fear. Give me anywhere. Pull for me here, no me dear. Give me anywhere, me not care. I could have done a Samsung square. Give me a 7. No long thing. This I wanna quick me with you with this hour in the city, yeah.
Okay, so let's tell the people them like, just tell me about them and why you bring them in.
They are very talented. I love them vibes, I love them energy, and they brought that energy on the stage, and I'm just so proud of them. Also, Magnum, you have to pick up Magnum Tonic Wine because they were behind this all. They made it possible too. So big up Magnum Tonic Wine, I have to tell you now. And MacGyver, Shelly Belly, you know them really cemented in a dance hall. Them can't be erased. Them legendary. So
all right, so
I had to bring the flavor.
Yeah, man. So thank you so much. Now, always a pleasure talking to Maya. And one of the dancehall girl them who know how for angle triangle and interview. And so it's always a pleasure chatting with you. All right, take care. And next year go full prayer.
Do the drift with me.
Go drift. We can't do nothing more, man. Turn up in the man. Turn up in the man. Yeah. All right, bye.
I'm in a saga, me alright all night. 6:30, me make it clap.
Dolly, hey, girl.
They come and riding good.
I am in.
You off here riding good.
I am in.
Boy, say my timing good. Big long jockey and no Chinese. They come and riding good.
I am in.
You off here riding. A big long jockey and no. Take it down, me bad up, me love it. Say good, come on, good sir. Wine and vibrate on it. When me a catch it and a shake and a bubble in me work every time. Me a the right balance come. Wine and vibrate on it. When me a catch it and a shake, me can't get a one drop. Right there, sir. Boy, come catch me right there, sir. You say your bad, come catch me right there, sir. Right there, sir. Know me like it right there, sir. Pin me on the wall, me like it. Hey, get wild and go long. Me body good, me no shape like my dance. Yeah, man, I watch one slip to me. It's a body I put any boy in a cha. Watch how me catch it on the RR boy. Sit down in a sagamia. 6:30 me make it. Look how me catch it on the RR boy. Sit down in a sagamia. 6:30 me make it clap. No, sir. I own a